guys, what's up? This is Cousin Batman. I'm playing Five Nights at Installation 04 with KBubTX and ViolentMadrox13, and we just spent a while editing the map and testing out the game, and it looks pretty fun, so we're gonna make a video of it.
I'm gonna go terrify everybody.
Alright, I'm the person. Oh. Okay, not cool.
No!
I don't like this. Look in the camera, look in the camera. Oh, I saw movement over there. Please don't be there when I spawn in. Where are they? Oh gosh.
I do not accept.
What was that explosion? Where are they? In the park? No, where are they? Why are there only two cameras? I'm screwed, aren't I? Are you guys in the room? Yeah, that's what I thought.
It's a pity. You don't know when they're gonna come.
That's what she said.
Oh, hey guys, what's up? La, 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 la.
I see you. Look to your right. Oh, he jumped in the camera. He jumped in the camera.
Wait.
Up tall.
Wait, at least let me look around real quick. Oh god, that's terrifying. Very terrifying.
Round over. Infection.
It depends on where you spawn. If you spawn in the middle, you're the alpha. And if not. See, I'm the smaller zombie now.
Oh, heck is that? Oh, God.
You came near the giant zombie.
Infection.
How am I the security guard again?
Because it's unfortunate for you.
I've been the zombie for you.
Oh, God, do it. Wait.
Infection.
Oh, buddy.
Oh, Batman already
Alright, let's...
No.
No. Oh. Oh, dang. No, I armor locked. Oh, again. Third time.
Oh, that gotta be funny.
That usually means someone's in the room above me. Not above me, but like, oh, hi! Goodbye.
I just saw you.
I'm out. I'm out of the room. I'm out of the room. I'm out of the room.
No, you're not.
Yeah. No, I'm not. No. No. Where is he? Where is he? Oh, I see him. Hi, Freddy. Hey, can we be friends? Can we be friends? Yes, no? Oh, okay. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.